Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. Today in this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 13 exercise 13.3. So this is the last exercise of this chapter and also for this exam, isn't it? So question number 1 is given. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. So we have to write the following in the expanded form. First one is given 2,79,404, isn't it? And second one is again given how much? It is again given 30,06,194. So on. So these are the question. Now you have to write in expanded form. So we have learned how to write expanded form in class 4 also, isn't it? So since class 4 we have learned how to write in expanded form, but again I will revise, I will recall how to write this. So first one is given 2,79,404, isn't it? So what is the first digit here? 2. So you will write 2 and multiply with what? Multiply with, in the lower classes we wrote in this way, isn't it? 2 multiply with, means after 2 how many digits are there? 5 digits, isn't it? That means we have to write 50, isn't it? We have to write 50, but here we will write them in the exponential form. Okay, we will write them in the power notation exponential form, because this 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 5, isn't it? 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 5. So what you will write? 2 multiply 10 to the power 5. Then after that what is there? 7 is there, isn't it? So you will give plus 7, then multiply with, then how many digit is remaining after 7? After 7 there are 4 digits. Then simply what you will write? 10 to the power 4. Okay, just you will count the digit and you will give as them as a power. So 10 to the power 4, and the next digit is what? 9. So 9 multiply with, after 9 how many digit is left? 3 digit. So what you will write? 9 multiply 10 to the power 3, then plus 4. After 4 how many more digit is there? 2 more digits. So what you will write? 4 multiply with 10 to the power 2. The next digit is what? 0. So 0 also we have to write, isn't it? So 0 multiply with what? After 0 how many digit? 1 digit is there. That means 0 multiply 10 to the power 1. Then again plus 4 multiply with what? 4 multiply, after 4 there is no digit, isn't it? After 4 there is no digit. That means what we have to write? We have to write 10 to the power 0. Okay, because there is no digit, so what you will write? 10 to the power 0. So in this way you have to solve. So this is very simple. Hope you have understood. Now next one I will explain again. Next one is given 3006194, isn't it? So what is the first digit here? First digit is 3, isn't it? Now 3 multiply with, after 3 how many digits are left? After 3 there are 6 digits, isn't it? So what you will write? 10 to the power 6. Okay, very simple. Only you will count the digit and you will write in the power notation. So 3 multiply with 10 to the power 6. Then again plus, what is the next digit? Next digit is given 0. So 0 multiply with, after 0 again how many more digits are there? 5 more digits are there, isn't it? So what you will write? 0 multiply with 10 to the power 5. So this is the next one. Then again it is 0, isn't it? So for next also again after the next 0 how many digits are there? 4 0. So what you will write? 0 multiply 10 to the power 4. In the same way, then 6 multiply 10 to the power 3, then 1 multiply 10 to the power 2, and 9 multiply 10 to the power 1, and 4 multiply, after 4 there is no digit, so what we have to write? 10 to the power 0. Okay, so hope you have understood. This is very simple. So remaining question I will keep as a homework. So if you have any doubt you can ask me without any hesitation. Now come to the next question. Second question is given, find the number from each of the following expanded form. So here the questions are written in the expanded form and we have to write the number, isn't it? We have to find the number. So it is very simple. Now first you will check the power, is any power is missing or not. So here first we can see what? 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4. That means there is no any number which is missing, isn't it? So it is in the ascending order, means in the successive order, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5, or sorry, till 4 it is there. So directly what you will write? First one is what? 8, isn't it? So you will write 8. And what is the next second digit? Is what? 6, isn't it? You will skip this one. Okay, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, you will skip this one. Now next what is there? 0. So you will write 0. Then next what is there? 4. So you will write 4. Then again next what is there? 5. So what is the number? This is the number. Very simple. Okay, in this way we have to do. Okay, now Hope you have understood. So write this in your notebook. Now come to next question. So what is given in the next question? So next question is given 4 multiply 10 to the power 5 and 5 multiply 10 to the power 3, and again 3 multiply 10 to the power 2 and 2 multiply 10 to the power 0. Now here what we can see here, after 0 what is there? 2 is there, isn't it? Means before 0. Before 0 there should be what? 1, isn't it? There should be 1, but 1 is missing. That means in that place we have to put 0. Okay, in that place we have to put 0. Understood? This is whose place? This is 10 to the power 1 place. Okay, in the 10 to the power 1 place we have to put 0. Now 2, then again 3, then again 4. 4 is also missing, isn't it? That means for 10 to the power 4 also we have to put what? 0. Okay, for 10 to the power also we have to put 0. That means this is for 10 to the power 1, 0. Then next here what will be there? 10 to the power 0. So for 10 to the power 0 here will be 1 blank. Then here 10 to the power 2, then here 10 to the power 3, then here it will be 10 to the power 4, then 10 to the power 5. So for 10 to the power what is multiplying? 4, isn't it? So first digit will be 4 and second digit will be what? 0, because 10 to the power 4 is not there, so we have to write what? 0. Okay, we have to put 0. Then after 4, 3, yes, 3 4 3 what is there? 5 is there, isn't it? 5 into 10 to the power 3. Then again after 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2 is there, so it will be 3. Then again for this we have to write 0. Then again for 10 to the power 0 what we have? 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 405302. Okay, so if any power is missing, if it is not in the successive form, then we have to add 0. Okay, we have to first see them. Now second also in the same way, second and third question you will do by yourself. Okay, this 2 question is your homework, so it's very simple. Now here you can see 0 is there, after that 1 is missing, so for 1 you will put 1 0, then 2 is there, then 3 is missing, then for 3 also you will put 1 0. Okay, after that you will add them. Okay, so thank you all of you. Now come to next question, question number 3. I think you have understood. Now question number 3, express the following numbers in the standard form. Okay, now we have to write them in the standard form. Standard form means in the exponential form. Okay, because if you are writing this kind of number 50000, then it is taking what? It is taking as too much space also. So what we do in this type of question, we write them in the standard form. Why we write them in the standard form? Because it is very simple, or it is very easiest to see, to figure out. Because we made mistake, if you will skip 1 0, that means it will be a huge difference, isn't it? Because 100, and again if you are adding one more 0, then 1000 and 100. So in case if in place of 1000 if you are missing 100, then that 1000 will become only 100, isn't it? There is a huge difference. So for a bigger numbers we write them in the standard form. Now while writing in the standard form, if the number is without a decimal, okay, if the number is not a decimal number, then what you will do? Then the power will be in positive. Okay, if the number is without any decimal, now you can see question number 4, 5 and 6, you can see it is decimal is there, isn't it? So 5 and 6 there is decimal, but other 4 question there is no decimal. So if there is no decimal, then the power will be always in positive. Okay, the power will be always in positive. So this one what you can write, 5 multiply with 10 to the power. Now after 5 how many zeros are there, or how many digits are there? There are 6 7 8 9 10 10 are there. Oh sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many is there? 7 is there. So very simple, what you will write, number is only 5, isn't it? Only 5 is there as a number. So 5 multiply 10 to the power 7. Okay, this is the answer. What is the answer for question number 1? 5 multiply with 10 to the power 7. Because here you can see after 5 there is how many digit, how many zeros? There are 7 zeros. So what you will write? 10 to the power 7. Now next one you can see, it is very simple. I will keep this as a homework. Okay, now you can see question number 3. So question number 3 is given what? 3, 18, 65, 00, then 000, isn't it? So now we are going to write them in the standard form. So how many numbers are there? Excluding the 0, there are 5 numbers, isn't it? So what you are going to do is 3.1865 you will write. Okay, what you will write? 3.1865. After that multiply with 10 to the power. Now after where you put decimal here, isn't it? Here after 3 you put decimal, isn't it? So after 3 how many digits are there? We have to count. Now after 3, why after 3? Because we are putting the decimal after 3. If you will put the decimal after 6, okay, suppose you will put decimal 3.186, then 5. You are putting the decimal after 6, isn't it? That means you will count only the digit after 6, okay? But we are putting the decimal after 3, isn't it? That means you have to count all this. So if you will count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 10 to the power 9. So what is the answer? 3.1865 multiply with 10 to the power 9. Now power will be in positive because the question is without a decimal. The question is a non-decimal number, isn't it? It is not a decimal. So in the same way, question number 4 is your homework and question number 2 is your homework. Now I will explain question number 5. So question number 5, you can see question number 5 there is decimal, isn't it? So here what you can see, here the number is already in decimal. Now if the number is already in decimal and if we are shifting the number to left side or to right side, okay, if we are shifting the decimal to right side, then the power will be, means if you are shifting this decimal to here, okay, if you are writing this 3908.7.8 means you are shifting the decimal from here to here, isn't it? So if you will shift the decimal in this way, then here what you will write, 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, the power will be in negative. Understood? The power will be in negative if we are shifting the decimal to right side, and if you are shifting the decimal to left side, then the power will be in positive. Okay, the power will be in positive. It is 2, then it will be plus 2. It will be not in a minus. Now if you will bring this decimal 3908, then here you will bring the decimal, then you will write 78. That means you have shifted the decimal from here to left side. That means what you will write, how much you have shifted, 1, isn't it? So it will be 10 to the power 1. So you have to write in positive, okay, not in negative. So what you will write, 10 to the power 1. So in this way. So now if you are going to write this in a standard form, then how you will write? You will write 3.90878. Now this decimal is shifted how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That means you will write 10 to the power 4. Okay, 10 to the power 4, because the decimal is shifted how many times? 4 times. So you will write 10 to the power 4. So in the same way, now question number 6. Question number 6 is your homework. Okay, so question number 6, you can see here is the decimal. So if you will shift to here, then how many times you are shifting? 3 times. That means 10 to the power 3. Very simple. Okay, in this way you will write. So hope you have understood. Now come to next question. Now question number 4, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. So wherever you will see a number appearing here, you have to convert them in a standard form. Okay, we have to write them in a standard form. So first one is given, A is given what? The distance between earth and moon is, so the distance between earth and moon is given how much? 38400000 meter, isn't it? So this is the distance between earth and moon. So we have to write them in the standard form. So just like question number 3, now we are going to write this in a standard form. So how you will write answer for this question? Okay, you will write 3.84, then all are 0, isn't it? So no need of writing that 0. So simply what you will write, so where you have put the decimal here, isn't it? So after this 3, how many digits are there? 7, 8. 8 are there, isn't it? That means you will write 10 to the power 8. Okay, what you will write? 10 to the power 8. So this is the answer. This is the standard form of question number A. Now in the same way, now question number 3 is given. So this is very simple. So write this in your notebook. Now next is given speed of light in vacuum. Now speed of light in vacuum is given 3000000, isn't it? So now we have to write this in a standard form. So how many digits you can see, how many number excluding 0? We can see only 3, isn't it? So 3 multiply with 10 to the power. Now after 3, how many zeros are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? So you will write 10 to the power 8. Okay, very simple. In this way you have to write 10 to the power 8. So 3 multiply with 10 to the power 8. Now next one, C is given diameter of earth in. Now diameter of earth is given 12756,000 meter, isn't it? So we have to write this in the exponential form. Then how you are going to write this in exponential form? So you will write 1.2756. After that zeros are there, so we are not going to write that 0. Then multiply with 10 to the power. Now after decimal, how many digits are there, isn't it? Here we have put it the decimal, so count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you will write 10 to the power 7. Okay, 1.2756 multiply with 10 to the power 7 is the answer for question number 4. Sorry, question number D, isn't it? So in the same way, the remaining question you will solve. And if you have any doubt in any question for this chapter and for any other chapter, you can comment below in the comment section. So thank you all of you for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a friends, then you can share it with your friend. So thank you all of you, and stay safe and stay home. Bye bye, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.